There's the stairs as we almost fell down the stairs as we come up. Look, Diane's in the room over here. It's a cool little situation here. Look, here's a bedroom. And Diane! Diane's rifling through people's belongings.
She wanted me to first for her.
Okay, so here's the bedroom. We're going to measure it. Oh, the bathroom's over here. Oh, I thought the bathroom was... Oh, there's a window in the bathroom. Hold on. She really wanted to see this. Look, Autumn, a window. Oh, that's me. Hi. And here's your bathroom. This is an upgrade, so don't think you're getting that. But here's your shower. It's pretty big. Again, here's your bedroom with the window. And you would be facing, I don't know, someone else's window, roof.
This is about my house, you know that, right?
Yeah, Diane's writing down measurements. But yeah, so this is how big the room is. You can tell it's not huge, but Diane has just figured out. Yeah, I'm going to help her. Okay.